Budgeting Basics: How to Create and Stick to a Budget. Welcome back to our financial management series. In this episode, we'll be discussing the basics of budgeting, including how to create a budget, understanding fixed and variable expenses, and tips for sticking to your budget. Creating a budget is the first step towards taking control of your finances. Start by listing all of your sources of income and then all of your expenses, including fixed expenses such as rent, utilities, and car payments, as well as variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment, and clothing. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can determine how much money you have left over each month for saving and investing. Understanding fixed and variable expenses is an important part of budgeting. Fixed expenses are those that stay the same each month, while variable expenses can fluctuate. Fixed expenses are easier to plan for, but variable expenses can be more challenging to control. One way to manage variable expenses is to set a spending limit for each category and stick to it. Now, let's talk about some tips for sticking to your budget. First, prioritize your expenses based on your needs and wants. This will help you make informed decisions about where to allocate your money. Second, avoid impulse purchases by making a shopping list and sticking to it. Third, track your spending regularly to ensure that you're staying within your budget. And finally, reward yourself for reaching your budgeting goals, such as paying off debt or reaching a savings milestone. Creating and sticking to a budget can be challenging, but it's a crucial part of financial management. By understanding your income and expenses, prioritizing your spending, and tracking your progress, you can take control of your finances and work towards achieving your financial goals. We hope this episode has been helpful. And if you found it useful, please subscribe to our channel for more videos on financial management. In the next episode, we'll be discussing the different types of investment vehicles and how to choose the right one for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.